So guys, you are welcome to my YouTube channel Vicsontech. So this video is a continuation of the previous video. The previous video we talked about the introduction to Pixellab. Now this is the second video. Yes, this is the part 2 of introduction to Pixellab. I told us that I'm going to explain how you can make use of some of these properties in my new videos that I'll be dropping soon on how you can create some flyers. Yes, I dealt with some of these properties extensively, so do well to watch them whenever I upload them. That reminds me, if you know you are new to my YouTube channel, please kindly smash the like button and the subscribe button, and also turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I drop any new video. And I'm also going to teach us tips and tricks about some applications such as Photoshop, CorelDRAW, Pixellab, PixArt, and what have you. And there are some goodies that you will enjoy in my YouTube channel, provided that you've turned on the notification bell. So moving forward, let's consider the next two. That's this center one. Yes, these two are the center. Now these two will enable you to import pictures from your gallery to Pixellab. Now the first icon you will find there is stickers, import. Like I previously mentioned, you can import things through this. So you get to import things. Yes, you can draw their shape. Don't worry, I'll explain them one after the other. For stickers, you find stickers here, you find emojis here. They are all free and you can make use of them. And for the other one, import this icon. You can import backgrounds from your phone to your Pixellab. For instance, this background, you can import it. Yes, you see I've imported it into my Pixellab. That reminds me, when you import anything, as long as what you've imported is highlighted, you can edit it or work on it. You see, the moment I imported this background, you could see reselect, delete, crop, copy to front to back, just as we saw when we edited our text. We saw some properties. Yes, likewise this particular icon, the moment you click on import, you will find some amazing properties, and these properties are here. For the first one is reselect. That means if you want to pick another background, probably you made mistake and you picked the wrong one, you can come here and reselect the right one. Okay, then you can delete the background if you want to delete it. For crop, you can come here and crop the background. Probably this is the part I want. Click on this good sign. Sorry about that. Let's go back to import. Click on this again. Okay, go to crop. Okay, here, this is what I'm supposed to see, but I don't know what happened. Then go back to crop again. There's something I want to show us. Now if this is the part I want to make use of, just crop it out and click on this good sign. You see, you can go ahead and stretch it from here. Make sure it covers your workspace, and you can go ahead and make use of it. That reminds me, while stretching, please don't stretch from this point. Please don't stretch from these 2 points. Stretch from here. Yes, this is the point that I should stretch on. Yes, instead of stretching from these 2 points, better stretch from here, because the moment you stretch from these 2 other points, you are going to distort this image. You are going to distort it. So don't stretch from there, you get a hair. Only stretch from here. I know you understand. Still go back to crop. There's something else I want to show us. You can resize the size of this background by clicking on the sizes here: 16 by 9, 3 by 4, 6 by 8, 6 by 4, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, 9 by 6. It depends on what you are working on. If it is a design you want to use for your Facebook reels, it is going to be 9 by 16, or TikTok. Then if it's YouTube, that means you have to use 4 by 3 or 16 by 9. You can flip the image, you can flip it to the left, you can flip it to the right, you can turn it upside down, whichever way. Just do it by using this icon. You can also do it from here, that's from this point. You can flip it from this point. Just click on it now, you can click on the other one. So that is how it works. Click on the good icon. So still on this background, you can send it to the back. You know, I told us I'm going to show us how you can make use of to the back and to the front. Yes, you can take the text to the back, take the background to the back, then click on the text. Oh, sorry about that. Click on your background, then take it to the front, take it to the back, take it to the front. Now you can use your position to move it, just like your text. You move it to your position, and we are good. Relative position, you know how it works. I've explained it in our first video, so just go ahead and watch the first video. And for your size, you can reduce it from here, and you can also do it manually, rather get manually. So still on this background, there's something else I want to show us: color filters. You can change the color of your background from here, give it any color of your choice. You understand? Yes, don't worry, just watch my videos on how you can create flyers. I made use of these properties in some of those videos. It would help you to understand how some of these properties work. I think that is all for the background. You don't need shadow, emboss, you don't need them. The properties we work with are crop to front to back, then color filters when working on your background, though. That's for this second icon. Let's go to draw. You can draw with your Pixellab. If you know how to draw, just come here and draw. That's all. Yes. Then shape, very important. This is where we bring in our shapes. Yes. So we bring in our shapes. You can click on your shape, change it to any shape of your size. You can reduce the opacity, you can increase the stroke width, and reduce the opacity, whichever one. So that is all for your shape. And the moment your shape is highlighted, you will still find some properties. Okay. For this bezel tool, I'm still going to make a special video for the bezel tool, because this tool is as complex as the max tool. So I'm going to make a special video for both of them, the bezel tool and the max. Okay, let's delete it. Then arrow, you can bring in any arrow here. You can start from Pixellab. It all depends on what you're working on. Okay, and the last icon, but not the least. Now for this particular icon, it is for your background. Let me delete this one so that you understand what I'm talking about. Then go to the last icon, click on color. It's for your background. See, whatever you are doing in that last icon will only reflect on your background. You can change the color from here. You can use a gradient, yes, whichever one. Then you can make your background transparent. That is if you are working on a logo. If you are done designing, make sure you use a transparent background. Then you can change the image size from here, change the image size of your background. Then you can also import any image from your Pixellab. These are the default images here, and from gallery you can import any image. Now the beautiful thing about this gallery is that it helps you to identify the size of a design. Probably I want to know the size of this design. I need to do is to import it from gallery. Now I've imported this image. Just go to image size. You find the image size, which is 128 by 128. That is how you identify the size of an image using your Pixellab. Okay, having said that, let's move on. Let's go to these top icons that are here. For this plus is a shortcut to what we have in these three icons or tools. For this arrow here, yes, it helps you to undo anything that you've done. Probably I move this here, I can undo by clicking it. Now this is zoom. Just click on it. It enables you to zoom in and zoom out. Just drag it with your hands, hold it and drag it. The moment you click on zoom, it can help you zoom anything. Then grid line, very important. I love this grid line so much because it helps you to maintain accuracy and precision. Yes, if you want an element or some element to be on a straight line, just use your grid line, place it where you want it to be, and then move. Probably I want it to be here, then click on this again, then move this text here. You see it. To go back to the line, maybe I want to delete some of these lines here. The moment you highlight it, click on this X. You understand? I've highlighted it. Click on this X here. Let me show you. Yes, the moment you highlight it, just click on it. X. Yes, click on X. See, it's deleting itself. So if you highlight it and click on X, it will pick another line. Then you click on X. Then if you want to add more line, just click on plus plus plus. You understand? That is vertical lines. Then if you want to add horizontal line, just click on this. Let me show us. Vertical, then horizontal. Okay, and that's all for grid line. If you want to save any of your project, click on this. Sorry about that. Just click on this. Yes, save as project or save as image. The moment you save as project, you've converted your design to a raw file which you can edit or make any modification on it. But if you save as image, you've converted it to a JPEG file which can be viewed on your gallery. So it's important to save as project and image. For this quick share, you can share your design to your friend. That is the raw file. Probably you are done designing and you want a friend, a senior graphic designer, to vet what you've done. Just click on share and go ahead and share it. Okay, then we have quotes here. I forgot to show us the quotes on the A2 or A icon. You know, we have text and quotes. Yes, you can come here and go through some of the quotes here. They are quite inspiring and motivating, so it all depends on you. Okay, for these three dots here, you can come here to change the size of your image. This is more like a shortcut to what we've done at the beginning of the video, both the part 1 and the part 2. Instead of you going to the A icon, that's the first icon, the second icon, the last icon, you can quickly come here and do it. So these icons at the top are shortcuts. Then for this last one, this last one. Yes, click on it. There is one beautiful thing about Pixellab. Pixellab works with layers, just like Photoshop. If you've ever used Photoshop, you would agree with me that Photoshop works with layers too. With these layers, you can pick any of the elements. It could be the background, it could be this text. So if you have too many elements on your design, too many text, too many pictures, and you find it difficult to pick them, just go to this icon. You can pick them from here. So guys, I feel that you've learned so much from both the part 1 and the part 2 of this tutorial, and these are the basic things you need to know about Pixellab. As time progresses, you will learn more by watching tutorials. That's my tutorials online on how you can create some stunning designs. So as you continue to watch some of my tutorials videos online, you will get familiar with everything you need to know about Pixellab. You will get acquainted with all the functions of the tools and the icons on Pixellab. So friends, thank you so much for your time. We are done with this tutorial, so I look forward to see you in our next tutorial. Do not forget to do what? To like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Thank you so much for your time. I remain your favorite graphic designer, Vicsontech. See you in the next video.